Yo, let me fix my mic. And then we are good to go. There it is. Good evening, everybody. What up, what up? Right. I think it's all good. Finally got my internet fixed yesterday. I had to get a professional to come out here, take a look at everything, make sure na okay na lahat. Um, it's gonna be an exciting day, guys. So XRP is trading sideways, just like we said kagabi, bago ako matulog. Let's go! All right. Today's gonna be an interesting one. So we're gonna be using XRP majority of the whole time, just to I don't know, we might take a look at different coins. Maybe we could possibly find something that we can practice on, do some futures trading real quick. See here. Today's topic is going to be how to grow a small account, how to grow a small crypto account. So that way, you guys kind of, get a little bit of something new. So wait, let me see here. Hold on. All right, there we go. Okay. So if you are new here, and if you're watching this and it doesn't say live on the bottom of the screen, then you are watching the recap. We do live streaming Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. PH time. 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. United States Central Time. Chicago, something like that. It's going to be good. It's going to be good. Okay. So right now, kind of give you guys an update on what's happening. So everybody is kind of just in standby mode of what Bitcoin is going to be doing, as far as is this a real recovery happening on Bitcoin side? Okay, so is Bitcoin going to be stopping anywhere around here in this area, or even right up here? So far, what we can tell from the volume right here on the side is there's volume all throughout here, right? This is the one where the biggest volume is happening, right along this line right here. So if BTC can make it right above the line here, it's definitely a good indicator that BTC is going to go higher, right up to about right above $60,000, which is good. BTC is healthy, healthier. I guess I should say healthier above 60,000. All right. So we can wait for that and see what happens. Of course, ETH is leading the way currently for all the altcoins. All right. This right here is not updated, but I would have to move the chart around. So ETH is it's just going to the moon, guys. I mean, it's going crazy. Okay. Let's see if we can fix that real quick. Come and show me the real volume. I guess not. Don't want to show me. So, oh well. Can I put it closer here? Here? No. All right. Whatever. We'll just deal with it. So the total altcoin market cap is about to go above this line here, which is a good sign for all the altcoins. And while BTC's dominance is going down, so it's good. It's good. It's even better. It gets even better the lower we go. All right. Right now, it's currently sitting at ano na yan? 49 or no 48.6%. Okay. Here, let me show you guys. So 48.59% currently. So it needs to beat BTC's dominance for all coins to go crazy. All right. All right. So let's see here. 1 second. All right. What's up, everybody? Good morning. If you're new here, please like and subscribe to the video. We do this live training or live session for all the new traders out there wanting to learn a little bit more about trading and I guess how to grow your account, right? Let's see here. We're all about education, guys. So also another announcement. We are only about 3 days away for the $100 giveaway of $100 worth of XRP. So you will be receiving $100 of XRP, whoever you are, that one lucky person. So, good luck. Good luck to everybody. We're gonna do it live, so that way there's no, favoritism or anything like that. There's no favoritism, there's no what do you call it, like no fishy stuff going on, right? Not picking like somebody favorite, Oh man, what's up, everybody? It's gonna be an exciting day. Let's go ahead and switch on to the smaller time frame here. What's happening with XRP? All right. So we're gonna be keeping a close eye on this right here, because once this breaks out, it's gonna be a good time for all of us. So right now this is the battle zone, I think. Yeah, we're still on that battle zone, right? So we're steadily going up, trying to break that battle zone, right? So starting from here, previous it's not even all-time high, but previous high, right? Right here, we kind of consolidated in this area, and then eventually we finally broke that, right? And then we created this. So rise and shine, BNB. All right, let's take a look at some other ones while we're waiting for this. So we got BNB trying to go up. So I still, me, I don't jump into anything unless it breaks a certain criteria. So anywhere right here or even here, and especially this one, I will not be, trading anything below, below this line. If you're holding the long term, yeah, I mean, I think it's great that you jump in before, right here, the line here. Long term, guys, I mean, you know what? I see BNB going. Hey, what's up, Arjan? Oh shit, bro, you want to jump in? Type yes. Yes to the comment, the chat below. You want to jump in, sir? Let me know, because I don't be checking that Discord messages. But yeah. Anyways, so let me know, bro. We can I don't know, somehow maybe join this whole thing together. I don't know how to do it, but we'll figure it out, right? Anyway, so yeah, anything below this line is not attractive for me. But if you are long term on BNB, you know what? I mean, anywhere here would be great to jump in on. Let me. You want if you want like an exact price range. Let's see if we can find it. Where? Ooh, loading. Wow, why is that loading? That is not cool. Come on, trading view. There's too many volume up in here. That's crazy. Wow. I swear I fixed that. As long as we're not disconnected from, what do you call it? From YouTube. Ow. I'm gonna go crazy if we get disconnected again. Oh Lord, why are you taking forever? Wait, hold on, guys. Let me fix this. Maybe refresh the windows real quick. Yeah, I know. There's such a high I guess what do you call it? Um Maybe traffic on the internet right now. Oh, there it is. Well, that's all I wanted anyways, was the stochastic. No, it resetted my thing. Oh, that is not cool. Cause I cleared, yesterday I had to clear all the cache and everything. Wow. All right. Well, let's see if I have everything still set up the right way. That is not even funny. Where did it go? Where did it go? All right. Anyway, so let's go back to BNB. BNB. There it is. Yeah, this is. I don't know why I went back to the old settings. Great. There we go. Old settings it is. All right. Let's find us some entry points. All right, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, okay. 1 hour, 4 hours. Okay, here we go. Hold on. Wait. There we go. So you are hitting that resistance right there. Okay. Wait. I would wait for some type of pullback around. Yeah. Around here. Before you jump into BNB, wait for like a good price, like a little bit lower, is not that low, but since BNB moves big, you will save yourself a couple dollars. Right? But that's BNB, I mean, so what's gonna happen here in this area while BNB will be trying to break these resistance here, especially the resistance right up here, is it's gonna do, like it's gonna trade sideways as much as possible. It can't just go all the way up like crazy. It needs to pull back a little bit So wait for a pullback here a little bit, and then wait for it to trade sideways until you trade it, because there's this huge resistance right here. You can already tell, especially right around the 580 all the way up to 638 dollars. There is some good news about BNB. There is some good news about BNB. I think something about Microsoft and other companies that will be going tokenize. They're going to be tokenizing something to offer to the public, and they want Binance to list it. So, which is going to be pretty cool. Binance will be the first to list that. All right. So it's going to be amazing. Wait for that news to come out and develop a little bit more. But if you want to position yourself, I mean, anything actually, any price around here would be great for, jumping in long term. So if you're not doing any type of futures trading or anything like that, then don't worry about it. I wouldn't do it right now on BNB, but long term wise, yeah, it's perfect because it just broke out of this, this little bull flag here. All right. So this here came down and retested it already. You might even see another retest. I don't know. But it is hitting a resistance here. So, and it's a pretty big resistance, right? So it doesn't matter where you put this line, but as long as you have it right there. But there's a resistance here. So, what else? What else? BTT is trying to recover up to where, it ended up during this whole downtime. As you can see, there's a drop, but then got picked up real quick. Doge. Somebody asked about Doge. Yeah, my settings all messed up. Mr. Arjan, did you want to go in? Because I don't see your message anyways. Oh, you're gonna be trading stocks today, huh? You're gonna be trading. Today's looks like a good day. I don't know if you jump in on that Amazon deal, but Amazon finally breaking out of that. I don't know how 290 days worth of consolidation. But now I think they're starting to break out of that consolidation, bro. And because of what do you call it? They're gonna be doing a stock split. So that stock, how those stock split goes, man. It goes nuts. I think the last time I saw Amazon was around $3,400, which is pretty good. Now, what does that tell you as far as like everything goes? How does that even correlate with crypto? Well, it tells you kind of, the end almost is it's like signs of Bitcoin ending in a way, dude. If you think about all that stuff that's happening, I think it's perfect timing that all this stuff is happening. Amazon, doing a stock split, Coinbase listing, IPO right up here, and then this really, really crazy correction. Actually, this is not even crazy yet, because this correction needed to be, somewhere along this line right here, and it didn't go as low as it's supposed to be. So Bitcoin's top is coming. It's really close, and we don't know if it'll be here within a month or 2 months. But if you are jumping in on Bitcoin right now, if you're still buying Bitcoin, it's not really a good idea, because first of all, it's way too high, anything you put in there is not going to move us big. You're not going to make us big of a profit. So the best thing to do is, go for the altcoins. That right? So you need to be realizing that Bitcoin is coming to an end, and you need to know where to put your, where you're gonna get the most gains. I guess is altcoins, right? Altcoins is gonna go crazy, man. This is, and altcoins is not even like almost not even close to being done. That's the crazy part. I mean, take a look at XRP. The way it's moved ever since that. I think here we go back to here, right? And then we can kind of see total altcoins. So we can kind of go ahead and compare something here. I'm gonna show you guys if I can pull it up. Total altcoins. Yeah, right here. So what this shows you guys is when altcoins separated from Bitcoin. All right. So altcoins, when Bitcoin hit this price right here, this area, all the altcoins took off, while Bitcoin kind of just steadily stayed in this range, right? So that's why you always want to keep in mind, is this the end, almost or near the end of Bitcoin, when the altcoins already, separated away before. Okay, so just take a look at this. Before, all the altcoins and Bitcoin was kind of like, just kind of staying within the same chart pattern, right? And then finally, altcoins separated around this time. So you have to keep that in mind. Where you putting your, your capital. BTC is not going to help you. So as you can see, altcoin, this is not even done yet. Altcoin can go a lot higher. So you got to keep that in mind. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at some things here. Let's see if we can answer some. Good morning, everybody. All right. Ano yung entry to be qualified sa raffle? You just have to be subscribed, and that's pretty much it. And then I'll tell you guys a little bit more instructions for all the people, that's been watching this, as we get closer, like probably maybe tomorrow, or anong araw na ba? Tuesday. So maybe Wednesday or Thursday. Baka I will give you guys instructions on how to participate in the raffle. So you have to be on there. You have to be actually, you don't even have to be on here. You don't even have to be watching. You just needs to be subscribed to the channel. And actually, yeah, no, I'm gonna give you guys like 3 days to I guess, what do you call it? So on Friday, the 30th, Friday the 30th, you would have to just comment on the live stream, right? Let me see. So you would just have to comment on the live stream. After, I don't know, if I think it might be at the end of the video or some, I don't know how you would comment on the video, but just comment on the video, say I don't know, $100, or say something like, I don't know, XRP. I don't know, whatever you want to say, I don't care. And then I'm gonna use this. Hold on, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna use. Random. Let me see if I can use subscriber. Comments. So it has to be comments, guys. Let me see here. Yeah. Can you guys see that? So I'm gonna use a random comment picker. Okay. Enter YouTube video URL. So like let's say comment on the Fridays. Oh, this is hard. Comment on the Thursday. Comment on the Thursday's video. All right. If you're listening to this, remember this. All you got to do is comment on the Thursday's video, and we will, copy and paste that video or the comment from that video by using the link on that video, I guess, and then paste it here. And then we're going to do this live. So whoever, what's the reason pull it to bust a small dip on XRP around 125 to 30? What are you talking about? Oh, it's XRP. Here. The reason was one of them was mainly get a good entry point or entry price, or let's see here. Let's go to the 5-minute. So it didn't go. It didn't go as low as I wanted to be. But it did go to the 130s area, the 136 area. So I didn't get to catch it actually because I was asleep. And then as soon as it hit down here, it pretty much went up, right? So you have to remember that anytime you see this type of action, price action going up on an uptrend, it's always gonna have to come back down and touch the, what is that? The 200 EMA. See, I don't know. I just use it for that, but yeah, it always has to come down and retrace down to that EMA, and then it's kind of like here and then here, and then it's eventually gonna pop back up, and then eventually it's gonna have to come back and touch that, retrace to that again. Yeah, just comment XRP, to the moon or something like that. On the Thursday video, okay, on the Thursday video, and then I will do that random comment picker. For everybody that's listening to this and subscribe to the channel, you have to comment on that Thursday video, okay? So that would be on the 29th. So that way on the 30th, we can go and do the raffle right then and there. Okay? Get it? If you have any questions on that, let me know on the Discord. And then I will also, announce it on Discord and for everybody to get a chance on that as well. Somebody asked about Uniswap. Let me see. Where you at, Uniswap? Don't underestimate Uniswap, man. Uniswap. Let's see. How's Uniswap doing? Yeah, man. You're kind of late to the party. It's already already going high. So what you need to do is start here. Go right down here. So the next price target here is $53 and 35 cents, I guess. So what you want to do is, if you're going to be jumping in on Uniswap, all right, is so as you can see right here, it's starting to wick down, right? Because of the volume right here. So usually when you have these red and green volume right here, um, you have this gap right here. So you have this gap right here, which indicates a sideways trading, like kind of like this, right? Kind of like this, sideways trading, and then eventually it picks up, right? So once it picks up, you have these really big green or really big red candles, right? So um, now you're right around this area, right? So so what you want to do is wait wait and see what this how or what happens here. Put it on the, change your time frames around what's happening on the time frames. Is it just trading sideways? What is it doing? You can see that it created that little flag right there. It created a flag here, right? And then doing the same thing here. So, you know, always, you know, uh, use your use your support and resistance line, so that way you can kind of understand the price actions, right? You always want to know, I guess, yung nangyayari sa price action. Anong ginagawa ng stock or crypto, like, or that particular company? What are they doing? Why are they trading sideways? Oh, okay, I see a bull flag pattern. All right, cool. So once you wait, you don't just jump inside here. You wait for it, right? This is on an hourly, so this traded for several hours sideways, and then finally broke out. All right, so same thing here. It hit this resistance area, right? This resistance area here. So now, it traded for several hours again and then finally broke out. So you jump in at breakout and retest. Okay, so here if you look at the smaller time frame, damn, this thing did not even retest actually. It just kept going up. No retest. All right. Yeah, forget about the retest. It's all good. We're going to come back down to it eventually. That's what it's saying. So look, so traded sideways for several hours, broke out, traded sideways for several hours, broke out, trade sideways for several hours. Now what's going to happen? Is it going to go down, touch the EMA, and then trade sideways some more? Or is it just going to break out some more, right? So it depends on how bullish it is, right? So this is very bullish for Uniswap. Just breaking out like that, there's not even a retest needed. You know what I mean? So that's something to keep in mind. Um, good stuff, man. Good stuff. Let's look at XRP. We don't want to miss the train. So we need to go back to 4 hours, because the 4 hours is the key. Right there. All right. So if you look at this fib retracement, it will eventually, come right up here, somewhere in this area. Okay, so it's gonna be like, it's gonna trade sideways like this, but on the uptrend. All right. Once it breaks past through 195 area, guys, this is where the bull, I mean, it literally runs like crazy over here. Okay. This is going to go parabolic once it finally reaches and breaks through that 195. It's gonna go crazy. Okay, so be ready for that. Don't be getting scared if you see like a really big pullback and then all of a sudden a skyrocket back up. So it's just, that's just you just can't have one big green candle. You know what I mean? It's gonna have the up and downs, up and downs, up and downs until it reaches, because all time high is what, around $3 and something cents, somewhere around here in this area. Now you're gonna see, like, in this particular area right here, you're gonna see a really big resistance here. All right, but that's because of the all-time high, right? People are gonna want to take profits at all-time high, but then again, I mean, this bull run ain't over, right? Hindi pa tapos tong bull run na to. So it's gonna take this up way above here somewhere, right? Or maybe around the $5 and or the 550 range, right? Until we see some type of, another correction, right? Another correction down to that previous all-time high. Okay? So just keep that in mind. That's what's gonna happen. I don't know how the chart's gonna look yet. We'll just wait and see. Okay, but I know it's gonna be like up and down, up and down, up and down until it reaches that. So yeah. um, see, Bitcoin is almost at 55K. It's hitting that resistance now, right at 55K. So if Bitcoin can get above 55K, eventually go up to 56 and 57, it's gonna go. It's gonna look really, it's gonna be really nice. And if Bitcoin keeps going above $60,000, I mean, yeah, no, it's gonna be great. All right. Back to 5 minutes. All right. So here we are. So we're, as you can see, we try to break that. We try to break past this battle zone area, which is right up here. This is what you can go ahead and call this a double top. Okay. So it's eventually gonna have to come right back down again. But don't get discouraged of that, or don't get scared because of what's happening here. It's really trying to break. I saw this same pattern with Neo. Okay. And then look at what Neo. I don't know, was it Neo or Soul? What, I think it was Soul, guys. Look at this Soul. Um, no, it was right here when I was trading Soul. So just think about right now, okay? Look at Soul. I was trading Soul dito, double tap. Sabi ko, okay, I see a double tap. It's gonna pull back, pull back. Look at that. And then eventually, guess what? The third time it tried to break it, it finally broke it. It finally did. And then it came back down, right? Came back down, get rid of some more sellers. And then this is where basically the volatility, I don't know how do you say it properly, but the volatility, the volatility picks up. It picks up right here. You're gonna have these really crazy drops. You're like, oh, that's it, that's the end. No, it just drops a lot, and then all of a sudden it picks right back up. And then you get this higher high right here, right, and then trade sideways, and then it's gonna try and break through that. Some more trade sideways, retrace down to this support right down here, right? And then trade sideways. So you're gonna see something really close to that. So you're gonna see something really close to this, okay, with XRP. All right, does that make sense? So it's gonna come, so the double top, right, right there, come back down towards around this area, and then eventually try again for the third time. So that's what you're gonna see. We're in this really choppy area right now. So if you want to see where that choppy area is, we can go ahead and circle, or not circle, but put a box right there. Let's see here. We're gonna put a box right around here in this area. Okay, so anything above, if we end up getting some close above this box, and then it just gets much much easier, right? It's not gonna be as choppy, like none of that up and down nonsense. Okay, but this is necessary. That's necessary for us to get rid of all the sellers, right? All the sellers, as much as possible, and get all the buyers in here, all the bulls, to bring this price back up. So, this right here is um, this is where the bull run starts. We break this. I mean, then we can start the parabolic phase, to all time high, I guess you could say. But yeah, so remember that we are gonna be in this little very choppy area. Okay, the best thing you could do is don't play it, unless if you're looking at it in a very small time frame, and then take your profits really quick, then definitely play it. Like, for example, so what I did yesterday was, while I was driving, was I was playing this on the way up, and then every single time I look into the 1 hour time frame, I see some type of reversal candle. And then that's when I sell, right? So right here on the way up, I see a reversal candle. I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and sell that. So I sell it, and then guess what? And when it goes down, I watch it until I see, okay, I see, all right, I see, I think I see the bottom, and then I jump in right here, and then I wait for it to go up. I seen another reversal candle up here. I don't know if it was on the 15-minute chart. Yeah, something like this right here. The red candle, green, and then a red candle. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna sell that. And then there's another one. I think I played like smaller plays. I think it was from here to here, sell it, and then jump back in here. Something like that. I can't remember exactly how it was going, but I only played it. I played it on the way up, caught the dips, went long, and then sold it on resistance. So we could do something similar to that. Right now we just have to wait and see how this trading sideways ends up, because it's like you're getting this drop, then then it goes up, and then it drops big. If you were trading futures, you would have to jump in right here, set your price, look at your prices at 138, and then wait for it, and then something like that. Because one thing you have to realize is, when you're trading futures, you have to kind of keep your eye on different time frames as well as your stochastic. So your eye here, where is this pointing to on the 5-minute, on the 15-minute, and on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and all that good stuff. And then how is that reflecting the swings, right? So the 5-minute will eventually tell you, okay, so was this the whole 5 minutes worth of swing right here? So on this, well, right now this is a 15-minute swing, but so where's that at? So right here, right? So from here to here is like that, how long, I don't know how long you had to wait for that, but that's crazy. Over here is different. It's a lot quicker. You can see where you could have bought, or where you could have put your entry point. Like, for example, you could see on the 5-minute, right? Your 5-minute was right here, and then if you were gonna go long, entry point was right here at 138 somewhere, right? Or 137.5, and then wait for it to go up, hit the overbought area, which is in this time frame, it's right up here, right? And then you have that reversal candle. You know, you could have watched that reversal candle happen, and you're like, oh, I see it. I'm gonna go sell my position. And then once you sell your position, you will see that really big candle right there, red candle, and then as you can see, it goes down. What up, Lex? So yeah, we're doing some type of futures trading right now, ETF, derivatives. But we first of all we have to know, where to jump in. You know, jump in here, resist, support, resistance, wait. Right here is where you need to wait. You know, because are we going? You know, and then you have the line right here, right? It basically gives you the indicator of where big volume comes in. So in this area, big volume comes in and makes sure that the price either stays below it or stays above it, right? So right now it's keeping the price above since we have more swings up here above this line and then less below the line, right? So we have more buyers in this, upper area. As you can see, the green, right? Over here on below, it's hardly any, green, or lesser amount of volume. And then there's this gap that was, is this gap eventually going to get filled? Or was it already filled by doing, by here, right? So, but anyway, so what's gonna happen here is it's eventually gonna get more volume is gonna pick up here, and it's gonna try again for the third time to break past through that resistance, that double top, right? So what you can do is if it decided that it would go down here again to where the 200 EMA is, then you could take an entry, kind of like where that arrow was at. You can entry right here around this area or even in this area. All right. So, or the support. So next sign of support is right here. What is that? 139. Okay. 139. So if it drops below this line here and it goes down to 139, it will get picked back up. It will get picked back up and then eventually go back above this line here. And then you can just go long on it for as long as you want, because it's not gonna go, it's not gonna try and go lower than that unless it gets really rejected. You'll notice if it gets really can't even say it. It'll get rejected really bad here, right? If that's that's a bad sign, okay, that this is a strong sell pressure right up here. But again, but you got to keep in mind that it's bullish, right? Where XRP is very bullish right now. As long as BTC is bullish, we're good to go. And you'll see XRP eventually break above this box. All right. So if you see the price go down here, let's go ahead and put an alarm or alert at that. What is that? What I say was, yeah, we'll just leave it like that. So the boom, you got an alert right there. First sign of support. Right. And then delete that. Yes. Okay. So that's on the 5-minute. Let's look at what the 15-minute. So yeah, look at what the 15 minutes doing. It's saying that we have a ways down, right? So that means, are we right to call that 139 support? Possibly. We could possibly see this go down again towards 139, 140 area. And from that distance to here, that could be right, but we'll see. On the 5-minute one, as you can see, it's still pointing downwards, right? So we can see it like kind of trade down, and then eventually have it going up. So we'll see. And then we just gotta wait till the 15-minute chart, stochastic, gets down here, and then is this where it's going to eventually break it? Break that um tawag dito yung resistance dito, or we could possibly see it go down, then go up a little bit and kind of come down again, and then but what you're doing is you're trading in a short term um, time frame, right? So entry point, go buy long, and then entry point, buy long, and then exit price around here, right? That's a good amount of change. You're gonna get some type of return from that, but um, you know that helps you grow your account also. So thinking about doing something small like that, I know it's a lot more work that you have to buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell, but as long as you're doing it consistently, you're not losing as much or at all, and you're just taking in as small profit as you can. Not try not to get greedy by waiting. Oh, I think it's gonna finally break this time. Don't even take that chance. Remember, you have a really big resistance right here, and you know um, the most attractive price is right above here. So while it's down here, you are taking in the small profits, right? Small profits here to here was pretty good. This was $100 move from here to here. Or no, wait, was it from here to here? No, yesterday I shorted this, or last night before I went to sleep. From here to here was $100. You know, or whatever amount of capital you're gonna put in there. But still, that was a good piece of change, right? I was expecting to get to go lower, but um it didn't. So what happened was, once you started to see wicks, kind of like that wicks, it's like, okay, I see buyers coming in, right? So that's why it's important knowing your candles. Okay, wicks, oh, sellers are coming in. Wicks above the body of the candle, above it indicates sellers. Wicks below the bars or the body of the candles are buyers, right? Buyers pushing the price up, sellers pushing the price down. Does that make sense? So you have to know these candles, and what are they telling you, right? But anyways, growing your small account is crucial, right? Because that's how you have to be, in a way, somewhat. Hold on, let me drink my coffee real quick. Good morning, guys. Good evening. Oh, feels so good. All right. All right. So remember, your candles are very important. You have to know them. Um, and where you where you enter your trade. Okay. So as you can see, it's trying to go down below the line. So is this going to be a good entry point right here at 139, 140? So what we can do is here's what we'll do. I'm gonna get my trade ready. So on your limit price, you can enter 139. You don't have to do this. I mean, I'm just giving you guys an example. I'm gonna show you guys here once I get filled. I have to see the chart first. So make sure you have your chart in front of you, and you have your futures, whatever your platform, your setup, and then however much, I guess it goes by lots on KuCoin. I don't know if it goes by lots on Binance, but the amount would be, I don't know how much is that. Like, let's see if I no, so it's gonna be a lot less than that. So a lot less than that. 250. We'll just go with 250. So let me show you guys. Oh, so price 139, 250 lots, and then by long, right? So uh 140, 139. We're gonna let's see here. Hold on. 139.45. So 139.45. And then you can wait. Don't even hit buy it. Just wait, right? Because you need to be adjusting at every second, right? It's a good way to practice until you get really good at it. Is adjusting the price. You don't just what do you call it? You just wait for it to be filled. Because what if all of a sudden it goes way lower, right? So you need to wait until you actually get a confirmation that that's it, that's the support, it's going to bounce from that support, or is that support not gonna hold? So right now, look, I mean, like I told you, this is where buying huge support right here, right? Above this line is support, below this line is resistance. So they're buying this up, right? They are buying this up. So if that's the case, and look at how much room you have, right? How much room you have. If you're really good at it, I mean, hey, why not jump in and then wait for it to go up? But me, I like to, like I said, I like to wait and just find out where it's going. And if you hear a lot of noise, especially it's coming all from outside, they are cutting the grass. So yeah, sorry about that. So we'll wait and see what happens in this area. So you got to be patient majority of the time, actually, because it gets really exciting, and you get really anxious, because it's fun, right? But it's supposed to be boring in reality. So we're gonna be using XRP to do future trading because I think it's a good way to practice. If you can master one, you can master everything else. All right. So we'll wait. Oh, you don't hear anything? Okay, good. Well, that's good. I hope I'm not making you guys nosebleed. Let me see. Let's do something. Let me try to talk in Tagalog, man. Nah, never mind. I can't. It's hard. Oh man. So right now it's bouncing. It's holding this support pretty well. So while we're waiting for that, let's look at Doge. What's happening with Doge? So I put it a news announcement on Doge for May 8th. May seems to be a good month for all cryptos. I think we're gonna have a good month, man. May and June is gonna be a really good month for cryptos. I have a feeling. What's Bitcoin doing? It's kind of just doing that. Menstruation. What? Oh my god. Yeah. So wait for Bitcoin to, see if this is it or we're gonna go higher, right? The higher Bitcoin goes, that's a good sign. And if Bitcoin's I would hate to see Bitcoin end right now because, then I don't know, I don't know. It's different. The bull run ends, right? But I mean, I'm not saying altcoin would end, but altcoin would just go crazy. But then, what would happen? Because Well, I want to see XRP at $10. That's why. So if Bitcoin keeps going, right? If it keeps going and it goes past its all-time high, right? What was it? Bitcoin's all-time high was 64, 65, 65K. I want to see it go to at least 80,000 or something, or 85. And then we can see XRP going to $10. Because if Bitcoin can go to 85, then XRP would hit 5. And then once Bitcoin tops out at 85 and then drops and then retrace, then every single altcoin will start a parabolic move to a much higher, much higher price that would take XRP above above, and yeah, above $8 to $9. But I think it's gonna end around $12 to $13. Yeah, but I'm selling everything. Not everything. I would say 70% of my portfolio. 70%. And then I will short the market. I will short the market on the way down. So here we are, back to XRP. What was our price? 139. We'll just wait. Oh, ngayon ko lang na-gets yo. Naka-mention na. Tabi ko. Oh my God. I'm slow. I'm a little slow this morning. Oh my God, dude. That is funny. Yeah. So we just sit here, wait. Let's put a little bit of music on while we're chilling. We're gonna trade and chill. I don't know. Can you guys hear that? All right, hold on. I'll put music on. And is it even playing though? Yeah, I think so. Did it die? Yeah. Did it die? Did it die? I'm a stone cold killer. I'm a billionaire. I got my own cold. Oh, you are talking about my mic. Oh my God. I'm over here talking to myself. Sorry about that. Oh man. No, I'm here. I was just saying we could trade this, but then we would be trading a green candle, and then we would be risking this, going down, and we might get liquidated. But what you want to do is manage your risk. Don't get liquidated. Um, just make sure you are entering the right price. Make sure you know your support and your resistance at all times, because yeah, you need to know it. You need to draw your support. All right, need to draw your support and resistance before you make a trade. Now I think about it. I mean, yeah. I mean, this would have been a perfect, yeah, right here in this area. It just didn't go down as much. But I mean, what is that? A pennant? You call that a pennant? Kala ko din na namin in particular. A voiceover. Oh man, I had Arjan. I don't know where my mods at. Mods. Shout out to the chat, baby. Woo, hype. I had too much coffee this morning, guys. If you haven't liked and subscribed to the video, do it now. Do it now. We do this for free. We do this to educate all our new traders, even season traders. Me, even though I've been on this space for a long time, I still listen to a lot of other traders out there, and just in case I learn something new, I never really stopped learning. I had my coach din ako dati. My coach din ako dati. Millionaire na yon. And then sabi niya, it doesn't matter if you're a millionaire. You still have a coach. Kahit millionaire ka na, right? I was like, what? Really? I was like, why do you need a coach? He's like, well, here's the thing. Kasi even if you're a millionaire, or let's just say even if you're a thousandaire, right? You have to have a millionaire coach. Pag may, and then that millionaire coach would have to have a billionaire coach. And the billionaire coach is a lot meaner than the millionaire ones. They're so mean though, man. Sabi nila, assholes. They're assholes. But they get the job done. Right? Um Peace on air. Okay lang yan, man. This is how you grow your account. You grow it by either, okay, so here's another one. You hold it. You hold your account. Don't trade it. Don't sell it. Nothing. Wait, accumulate, right? You should have been accumulating a long time ago around the $1, the 94 cents to $1 area. Even below that, before we even went crazy. I don't know how long you've been you've been trading, but even if you're new, let's just say 1 or 2 months old into the space. I mean, 1 month ago, not even 1 month ago, we were just at what is this, 56 cents. You should have been accumulating right here in this area. This was right here. What's that? February. Then you got let's see, January right here. Oh, look at these prices. 27 cents. Now, we don't know that it was going to go crazy like this. But again, that's investing, right? You never really know where it's going to go. You just kind of have to have that vision of holding long term. Like, so basically your life, your goal, not your life, but your goal is to hold as long as possible, right? Because you never really know. Even though, yes, we're going up now and we are, nearing the bull cycle, but even though, right? Even though we are, look at this. I started back in 2017. Look at this. Let's see here. Yeah, malapit na. I bought here, right? I bought here in this area here. One that was at 17 cents right here. Perfect. Like, I held all through here. I seen this rise, and I didn't know anything. And but that's the good thing. The less you know, the better, right? I didn't know when to sell and when to buy. I just bought. I bought up here at $1. I have pictures of it. I said, "Oh, it's $1, yay!" My 17 cents turned into $1 something, and I saw this really quick. This is really fast. I mean, okay, so here's what's gonna happen, right? Okay, I'm getting off topic. Wait. All right, so we are right here. You guys realize that we are right here. Where we at currently? We're still here. And then we're gonna see a break above the all-time high, trade sideways, and then go crazy, right? And then trade sideways, and then when Bitcoin, when the bull cycle ends, and then every time in altcoins is gonna start its bull run, its massive bull run. This is it. This is the last. That was the last move up. And then eventually crash down. It's not gonna, I hope it doesn't crash down like really fast. It took hours, but you have plenty of time to take profits. You know what I mean? You're gonna see it. You're gonna see like, okay, how long did it took? How long did this take to go up? I mean, look at that. Like you're gonna see like, oh, every single candle was this 1, 2. Look at that. That's $1.38 move. Look at this. Every single hour, man, or 4 hour. Every single 4 hour candle was a big move, and then it traded sideways. A lot of people think, oh, that's the end of it. It's going down for real. Not really. Oh, dang it! I said something. And then yeah, no. Look at this. Every single, candle was a huge move. And then you see a 4 hour reversal candle, right? That was in the big indication that you need to sell. You need to get out of there. All right. So once you see these really big moves, right, there's always going to be a second wave or a second push higher, right? So big move, pull back a little bit, and then a second big push. Keep on waiting for that second wave. All right. But currently, guys, we're right here. We're barely about to start this right here, right? And then eventually $5, $5 to 8, come back down to 6 or 7, and then $12. Do you guys see it now? Do you have a vision? All right, back to current day. Let's go. Yeah. Oh man. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right. As we wait to trade it, see it's going down, which is good. Play some music.
I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Did it die? Yeah. Did it die? Did it die? I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Wait. Did it die?
whatever you want, I'll be whatever you want. Just tell me you love me or not, whatever it costs. I know I'm talking a lot, there's something I gotta get off. Don't wanna be this no more, I don't wanna drink no more. Always gotta do the most, thinking that I'm insecure. Really should've listened more, but I don't, of course. I'm an asshole, I'm a good guy, I'm your best friend, I'm the worst type. Tell you everything that you heard, right? Just so I can fuck on the first night. Feel like I'm losing hope, running from coast to coast. I don't know where to go, this all I've ever known. I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. No, did it die? Wait, did it die? Wait, did it die? I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Won't die. Did it die? Wait, did it die? Wait, did it die? My aunt think I'm perfect, I know I'm not. My mama be worried, I told her stop. They know I did drugs and think that I'm off. Little do they know I never could stop. My manager hate when I'm pulling up late. Back on my bullshit, she think it's a phase. I got relations I gotta maintain. I'm two different people, my side and my main. Yeah, I'm sober, I'm an addict, I'm a low life, I got habits, but I refuse to be average. Really so tired of acting, don't know what I miss no more. Too bad you don't hit me more. I'm bad when I get too bored, careful what you wishing for. I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. No, did it die? Wait, did it die? Wait, did it die? I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Won't die. Did it die? Wait, did it die? Wait, did it die? I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die.
Hindi, ano na. Nag-ano lang ako. Inaano ko lang yung mga support and resistance. Hindi ako nag-ano. Hindi ako nagsasalita. I just put my mic down. We're just waiting for this right here so that way we can place a trade. A really quick trade. My finger on the trigger. Okay, so there it is. There's a drop. There's a resistance here. That's what I was trying to draw. I was like, okay, there's the resistance right there. Resistance up here. Support here. And then you got a support here. We're gonna place a trade somewhere around here. So another thing that you have to keep in mind too, if you're trying to grow your account, is keep your what do you call it? Like, you don't have to trade the whole amount. Like, let's say if you're gonna use 500, you can do 500, but use like 200 first. Does that make sense? Don't put the whole 500 at one time. Use, a small amount, unless you're like, you're getting better. You feel like you're making less mistakes. I mean, me, I still make mistakes, and I have to eat that. Pero, it's okay. Like, I know what I did wrong, but sometimes, what I do is once I see anything above $100 worth of profit, ginagawa ko, tinatransfer ko na lang lahat sa ibang sa ibang account ko para hindi ko magamit. So, that way you don't use it all, I guess. Just use what like yesterday, literally I after I transferred I think 50% to another account. I s- I only used about, maybe on a smaller account I used 300, I think it was $300 or $400 or something like that. Um and yeah, turned 300, 400, I think it was 400 to 900 at the end of the day. So it was like a good $550 day, I think. I wish the fees wasn't so expensive, because sometimes the fees are $10. Yeah, it's crazy. So I paid almost about 40 or 30 or $40 in fees, just fees yesterday. Um, oh, you got 8:30? You want to join? Sa Discord, or you want to do Zoom or something? I can download Zoom real quick. I don't have Zoom yet on this one. I have Zoom on my other one. I have an account. That was a crazy glitch. I saw my previous wallpaper. Yeah, that was weird. Let's see, where you at? Where you at? All right. All right, bro. I got Zoom. Let me know if you want to join in. You know, share your thoughts and experience. Share your thoughts and experience as a trader. Okay. So we are kind of in the middle of nowhere currently because we are in between support and resistance. So we just have to, this is, like I said, you have to wait here and figure out if it's gonna end up down here. If it goes above the line, we could trade it. I mean, um, we just have to make sure we're doing the right thing. Any quick, anything quick that we can do? Let's see. Yo, do I have RSR? Eh, ugly. Nope. Coming into some resistance here already. Um. Ooh, Zill. Yo, what has going on with Zill? Zill. 15 minutes daily. Good. 4 hours. 1 hour. 5 minutes. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, Zill. I see you. Man. Where's Zill at, anyways? Currently here. Oops, wrong one. So yeah, it's already coming into. We're kind of late on this one. We were late to the party. Uh, but Zill above these levels here would be going crazy. I saw Zill at 11 cents. 11 cents right here. When I first saw Zill. No, actually 10. It was at 10 cents when I first saw Zill. Broke out, retest, resume. And then now it's at like 100% per. Coach, what is your top 5 altcoins to have in your portfolio? Uh, so the top 5 altcoins that I have on my portfolio that are making big moves right now, is one. XRP is the number one actually. BTT was the second. ADA was the third. The other one was ETC, and then KCS was the other one. ETC went crazy, and both KCS also. ETC, KCS is an exchange. That's that's the KuCoin exchange. Because I saw Binance, so Binance was moving, right? And then KCS will follow. So KCS followed as well, right? You kind of see. So this is KCS. I got in around the $3 to $4 area, and then I waited a while, like a really long time, before I seen KCS pick up all the way up here to $20. But I have I have KCS as because they are an exchange, and they're a really big exchange. So I think they can move just like Binance can. ETC, I've been waiting for ETC for a long time because where was it? ETC, I just had it. Oh, there it is. ETC, I've kind of explained this the other day. ETC could move big based on their previous. I mean, they already broke all-time high, because the previous all-time high was around $47. But ETC, when I got them, was right here around $4.46. I waited this long just for ETC to do this, but the thing I was worried was because of this, how the volatility was acting as far as ETC goes. It would go up, come back down. It would go up, come right back down. And then, I thought that it would go up, and I got scared right here. I didn't sell it. I just got scared. I was like, oh, come on, it's going to go back down again, like all the way down here. But then it didn't. It actually just kept going. This took a lot. It took a lot of process for ETC to just get up to, all-time high. Is it going to go higher than that? I think so. I think it's going to get, a little higher because, right now it's at support. So support. Well, it's kind of sitting right at support. Let me see. Yeah, it's right there, support. And then it's got this huge flag right now, right? So, is it gonna go higher? I think so. But yeah, what would I say about the other one? ADA. What is XRP doing? Okay, ADA. Where you at? ADA. ADA had a really big move already. That's why you're not seeing a lot. But I think it's still got plenty of room to go. So I've had ADA for a long time. somewhere around this area. And now it's right there. So yeah, ADA had this really big move all the way up to the $1.47 area, and then it just kind of like traded like this. It was torture. Just because this was you're like, oh, okay, it's breaking out now. It's gonna be the time. If you go to my YouTube channel, you're gonna be you can see me talking about ADA and how many times I made a mistake about the breakout process. people was like, what are you talking about, bro? I messed up because I was like, all right, here we go, it's breaking out, breakout alert, blah blah blah, and then all of a sudden fake. I was like, come on, ADA, killing me. Oh man, it was crazy. And then I was like, all right, this week is gonna go crazy for ADA. Yeah, a little bit. A little bit. It just did this. And it was actually the next week that it went crazy a little bit. It did this, right? And then the BTC starts dropping. And then now ADA is kind of going back up to that area. So ADA would be attractive above the all-time high. But for long term, I mean, hey man, right down here is perfect. Yeah, shit, triple fake for sure. I got fake punked like several times. Everybody was like, bro, you said it was gonna go crazy and it didn't. Why should we listen to you now? I was like, well, you don't have to. I always mention there's always a downside. Yeah, but you said it was gonna go crazy this week, but it's actually next week. I was like, okay, fine. I admit it. I'm a little early. Man, CRO was another good one, but I sold CRO already, and plus it's really expensive. Whew, man, this is an expensive coin, man. Like to have, because just for you to sell it they will take out 200 coins. It's crazy. Yeah, CRO, one of them. Another one that's my favorite is Harmony. Harmony is right here. One. Messy. This one is one of my favorite. Yeah, you can say that it's breaking out on a daily. So this one could go crazy. It's cheap. It's 14 cents currently. I like Harmony, man. Harmony is really good. So finally breaking out of this flag. Where is it on the hourly? It's retesting at currently right now. You just need volume to pick up. You need volume. It's not that much volume right now. All right, back to XRP. Is it dropping? Yeah. No, that's good. There you go. Perfect timing. See, that's why we waited, right? That's why we wait. Let's go to the 5-minute. Whoa. What is going on? Damn. Is he going to touch this? The $1.38? Yeah, that's why we wait. Dang. Whoa. What's happening? Why is it dropping so fast? What the fuck? BTC, what's going on? Oh man. Okay, we need to wait. Before we jump in. All right. To the earth we go, to the moon, but the opposite direction. Your rocket is upside down, sir. Yeah. That's why it's important to wait, guys. You see that shit? That's crazy. God, wow. That is wild. Yeah, okay, we're good. All right. So support, holding. Man, it broke through both of my supports, but let's see where it holds. Whoa, that's a big drop, dude. Why? News? Anybody have news? Somebody check news? Yeah. Why? Why do we have a sudden drop like this? Maybe a rejection here. A rejection. Maybe getting rid of sellers, right? Uh, did everything else drop as well? A little bit. Doge. Yeah. Okay. All right. Whoa. Okay. All right. Is there news? What's going on? I don't. I haven't seen XRP. Okay. Big rejection right there. That's crazy. Well, that helps with the that helps with this. That helps bring it down, cool it off a little bit, but then in the same time, we need to be patient right here cuz uh yeah, well right here, yes. Remember I was telling you earlier this gap, there's a gap right here. It needs to be filled. So this could just be filling that gap right here. And then it'll pick up right back over here. So we can move this down right there. So yeah, you can see. So this could be a fake out to, to lure you in, and then it's eventually gonna drop again. But you never know. It could just be buyers for sure. There it is wicking. There's a wick here, means buyers are buying this dip. Um, no, this is exciting. Excites me when it goes down. It's even more exciting when it goes up. But in the same time, uh, I wonder why it's dropping so big. That's a big candle. Um, but then again, we went earlier. Let's see what Bitcoin does over here, right? So Bitcoin looks like it's gonna drop again. Maybe retest this right here, 200 EMA. We have to wait here. We have to look. We have to. Hell yeah, this is perfect, man. This is what we need. This is a big, this is a good dip right here. I'm gonna get my futures ready. Hold on. What price is this? What price? 137. So we'll wait for another dip. Get that. Yeah, you see that? You see how fake that was? It has a green candle and all of a sudden boom. So we'll chill. Reversal candle, possibly. Um let's see. Let's see. We'll wait. That's about 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes on that candle. But the crazy thing is, lower price gets picked up really fast also. So even though it looks like it's got a small volume, but which volume? Is it buying volume or is it selling volume? So right now it looks like it's kind of a buying volume, right? And then the higher it goes, right over here, you have somewhat of a 60, 60-40 or something like that. 60% buyers, 40% sellers, right? So yeah, let's just chill. Oh yeah, we're gonna do a live trade. Here, let me do this. Let's see if I can. We can move this there, and then I'm gonna buy this up, man. What up, Prince? Bonfire token. 85K holders, just 8 days old, just listed. CoinGecko. Gonna be huge. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. All right, we gotta wait. We gotta wait. We gotta wait. See, don't get emotional. Don't let emotion take over. You have to trade with logic. You got to think about this. What makes sense, right? You got to think about, all right, well, what is it doing right now? It's undeciding. It's like, okay, is it going to be is there going to be more downturn to this downside, or is it going to be like, finally, is this a reversal up back to the upside? Is it going to work its way up? And yeah, remember I told you this is a double top. It's going to do this really fake drop, and then it's going to just eventually come back right up, right? So we're gonna, like, let's see, what, that's 137. So we're gonna put our price at 130. Let's see, 138. All right, 138. So somewhere around here. Um, that's 100%. All right, we're gonna do 100%. YOLO move. Do not trade this. This is not a recommendation. Not a financial advice. You will lose money if you trade this. Just saying. Practice session. We're gonna wait. We got about. All right, so the candle finally finished. It's not dropping anymore. It's not dropping anymore. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. It's at 138 now. All right. Wait. Let's see. I want to see a confirmation. All right. Ah, Jesus. Forgot about it. No. All right. I got an order for 138. I'm going to wait till it, let's see. Yeah, order filled. Boom. So we got filled on that 138. All right. We got filled. We're up 1%. What do you want? What is this? Check position. Next. I don't care. All right. Next. I don't care, man. Close it. All right. We're up $2. Okay. So what you can do here is you can set your stop loss right here. I would say like at 136. So you're gonna have to just eat it up. 136 is only $10 loss, right? Confirm it. I don't put any, what do you call it? Take profit yet. I wait to see how the price swings, or how, the price action, before I do any type of taking, before I put the take profit, because I want to know if there's volume that will drive the price up. Is it hitting resistance? What if it just keeps going, right? So if you have your first sign of resistance is right here, actually right here, you can set your take profit position right here. What I usually do is I wait and see what happens, because what what is that? Oh, is the rest of my thing getting filled? Oh, okay. Oh, that scared me. I thought we got closed out or something. Okay. Oh man, that scared me. I was like, it didn't even go down that far. Yeah, it was a lag. Whew. All right. That was the first time I've seen it. All right, so we're just waiting, 2 minutes into this candle here. Let's see where it goes. I was like, I didn't even see it go down. Oh man. It's happening so fast. It's hitting some resistance right now, but yeah, it's all right. I have a stop loss right here. It's only $10 lose. It's all right. That's nothing. But yeah, let's see what Bitcoin is doing real quick. What is Bitcoin doing? Is it? Yeah, yeah. No, that's good. Good deal. We'll go back to that um thing real quick, and I'll put it back in here when we're ready to sell it. It's up 2% so far. Du-du-du-du. To go to high next door will be the more. Will there be more? Yeah. Okay. But, all right. Looking good. Looking good. 36 seconds for this candle. We'll just wait. It's even better if we get above this line here. It's even way better. So as you can see here, we are gonna get picked up. Where's that? I want to make sure we're still streaming. Okay, we are gonna get picked up once the higher it goes. Right up here, it's gonna get picked up. Um, but we need to get above this line. That's where we need to be. All right, Gucci. Oh my God, are you serious? Are we dying? Am I dying? No, YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming such as viewers. Uh, can you guys hear me? Still good. I don't know why it does that. We're still streaming. Oh, I see. Okay. I see the problem. I see the problem. So it seems that around this time of the day, um, I was told that I was told kids kasi nagzo-zoom lahat ng mga bata dito ngayon for for school. So they all use Zoom. Yeah. This is so iffy. It's called volume profile. There we go. Back at it again. All right, so volume profile is what it's called. You can go to the indicator section and go to volume profile, and it's the visible range. The visible range one. So yeah. All right. I think the connection is good. It kind of scared me a little bit. But it's actually marami kasing mga bata na ginagamit nila yung Zoom. So what ends up happening is it starts slowing down the upload megabits per second. So that's what's happening. It's actually just there's way too many traffic with I guess the towers or something like that. I don't know. With the internet provider. Okay, so we are seeing a little red, but it's okay. We're gonna hold. Ano yung take profit natin? Okay. 113 is the liquid price. 113 is way down there. 36 is right here. So we'll just wait. Wait till what's happening with BTC. Making now because of that. Is that even accurate? No. Okay. All right. Oh man. Wala na akong coffee. Hold on, guys. Where is my Wait lang ha, guys. I'm gonna go make some more coffee. Okay?
I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Did it die? Yeah. Did it die? Did it die? I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Wait. Did it die?
Whatever you want, I'll be whatever you want. Just tell me you love me or not, whatever it costs. I know I'm talking a lot, there's something I gotta get off. Don't wanna be this no more, I don't wanna drink no more. Always gotta do the most, thinking that I'm insecure. Really should've listened more, but I don't, of course. I'm an asshole, I'm a good guy, I'm your best friend, I'm the worst type. Tell you everything that you heard right, just so I can fuck on the first night. Feel like I'm losing hope, running from coast to coast. I don't know where to go, this all I've ever known.
I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die.
No,
Did it die?
wait,
Did it die?
wait.
Did it die? I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die.
Yeah. A little bit, just a little bit longer. We're gonna see how this plays out. We have a stop loss here, so as you can see, he's still kind of trying to drop down, but we'll see. Even if we get stop loss, that's all right. Let's see here. Where is the? Let's see if I can put this to. There we go. All right. Hopefully, it's a big green candle. Ooh, it's dropping. uh, it's not bad though. It's gonna be a red. If it drops, it's gonna be a big red drop. Um, somebody just transferred 7 million, no, 10 million worth of XRP to Hobie wallet, and then there's another 102.5 million XRP moved by Ripple to Turkish exchange. So I'm watching this closely. If this is going to get, it's going to get even crazier. It's dropping. It's dropping. Ooh, it's dropping some more. BTC dropping a little bit. So as long as BTC hold below above this line, it's all right. That's what's causing this. So let's move. Let's do this. Let's move. Let's move that. Let's move. Let's do this. Let's move or create another one right here. All right. So 5 minutes. 5 minutes look like it's pointing up. Where is the 15 minutes heading? It's about to, if it crosses over, that's a good sign. So the 15-minute chart looks great. It's already making this reversal pattern here, a reversal candle. So we should see a green candle move up. So as long as this goes, as long as this crosses over, it's a good chance that it's gonna go up, right? Let's look at the 4 hours. It's still got a little bit of room. But we were expecting that drop anyways, so all we can do is just wait now. Let's go back to 5 minutes. So I think I'm gonna sell the first sign of resistance right here, just to kind of 140. So to set it up is, where'd he go? All right, so 140 is our, oh, I'm negative. It's cool though. 140. That would be a $56 day, right? So confirm it. So when it hits 140, then it will oh, are we about to get liquid? Ah, that is messed up. Oh, that is cold, man. 136 was the thing. Almost there. 136. Right here. Oh, somewhere right here. Dude, it's dropping big. What is the news? Yep, I got liquidated. Not liquidated, but my stop loss triggered. Stop loss triggered. Yeah, that's a big drop, man. What's happening? That is crazy. All right. No big deal. No big deal. Let's go. All right. Now we gotta wait for things to change a little bit. Let's wait for that. Okay, 1 hour is going down. It's a good sign right there. 4 hour. Could go a little bit more. So 1 hour. Let's look at this real quick. Yeah, my stop loss triggered. I want to see it hit this. I guess I want to see this line right here, or this hit this support here and hold it, and then we're gonna go long. We're gonna go long. Let's see. This is the volume profile. Volume profile is the right here. Indicators visible range. Visible range. So it's wicking down, but we need to wait. We need to wait. Right here is huge support. So you can lower that down right there. First sign of support is right here. And then the last sign of big support is right here. If it hits this lower area, it'll get bought up real fast. And then it might even hold here. So we'll see. It's wicking up. So so now you're like, okay, all right, my stop loss got triggered. what now? I lost like I don't know how much was that, like couple dollars. Like it was actually more than $10. It was actually $60. So $60, right? How can you make your $60 back and plus? So now um you have to spot this. You have to like, all right, what can I do to regain my loss? So now you have to wait for a perfect entry. Um Good lesson, right? So you have to wait for a perfect entry. Look at all your indicator. Um Looking good. Looking good. We have to wait. There's 55 minutes left on this candle. So we could see it kind of it's dropping more. We need to see it drop more. Coffee's so good. That's volatility right there. Very volatile. Yeah. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Everybody hear me? Good? Am I good? Where's my thing? Yeah, it's good. It's Gucci. All right. Uh let's see. Let's see if this will hold right here. We're gonna make another play. So come down some more. That's good. So we need to see a little bit more before we jump in. 4 hours. Just way too overbought. That's kind of working its way down. 5 minutes. There it is. There's the bigger drop. Um, so we actually could see this go down here and then wick right here. So we need to wait on this one. There it is. There's the drop. It's even bigger. BTC is dropping more. Okay, support right there. We'll see. It should. I mean, we could still see more drops, but right now we gotta wait. So look at the 1 hour. Is it there yet? No, not yet. All right, 4 hours. Is it there yet? Not yet. This is a big drop, though. I think BTC bringing everything down. 54, 54K. That would bring this at 131. Yeah, that would bring XRP to 131. If BTC goes to 30 or 54K, it would bring XRP to this level here, 131. And then all this right here will just wick it up. Like buy it up basically. So I would let's see, I would do this. Let me get rid of that since it's all broken. Um get rid of this. All right, and just keep one. So right there. Come on, man, drop some more. Let's see if there's any more news. $16,000 XRP holders are going to intervene the SEC lawsuit. All right, dropping, dropping. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my price to like an let's average it out 132. 132. So 21. 132. Buy long. And then what I'm gonna do is oh wait, I'm gonna wait. Yeah, just wait. 132 is right here. Somewhere right here. Oh, I think that's pretty low. Low enough. And this time, no stop loss. Oh man, we're gonna go a little crazy. Oh, got filled. Did I get filled? No, not yet. What was that? What was that? Anybody know what that sound was? Oh, subscribe. Hey, appreciate you subscribing. Thank you so much. All right, we're gonna wait for it. We're gonna wait for it. It's dropping some more. This is a big drop. It's already a big day today, man. We just gave up all of these gains right here. We just gave up. So I mean, within just a short period of time. So you know, it goes up a lot, or in a in a slow way, right? But then it drops big in a really fast way, right? So we're gonna wait and come on, drop more, drop more. We need to get to 132. So as you can see, volume is already coming in. The lower it goes. So is it even gonna make it to 132? Yes, yes, no, yes, no. Come on, make it. Let me change it up. Hold on. I want to I want to let's see. I want to change it up to 130. Ooh, where's my chart? Where's my chart? Um hmm. What is this right here? 132.7. Oh, it's already getting bought. Dang it. Ooh, do I want to jump in now or wait? I think I'm gonna do it right here. 134. Time to buy. Yeah. All right. I submitted an order at 135. Let's see if it gets filled. Uh, yeah, somewhere around right there. We'll see it gets filled. I'm not gonna put a stop loss on it. Um, so that way, if it goes down like even here, it's okay because the liquidity price would be um way below here anyway. So I'll just wait because I don't. If it drops here, it's okay. Anything below that, I'm gonna have to panic sell it. But because this anything down here is it's just bad. But um, I think in here and up is okay. We're good. We're good to go. Um, is he gonna feel it though? It's only 14 cents away. Come on, drop down to 135. Let's see here. Let's see here. Come on, you're really close. Fill it up. Fill it. There we go. All right. I think we're gonna get filled. It came down. How come I'm not getting filled yet? The difference between KuCoin and what do you call it? Trading View is so bad. Come on. $135. Is it fit? All right, since KuCoin lagging a little bit behind, I went ahead and filled it at an average price of 135.20. Now I'm just gonna hold it for a while until it's in profit. So, but that's it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream right here. I'm gonna give you guys updated on how that went. I'm not gonna sell it right now or anything until it goes up here. So I'll take a screenshot of it and post it on Discord. Keep you guys updated on how it goes. If it goes to anything lower down here, best believe I'm gonna sell the shit out of it. Thank you guys so much for being here. My little one is awake. He's ready for his milk. So I appreciate you guys for the support. Most of all. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget, we are giving away $100 worth of XRP at the end of the month, which is a couple days from now. Don't forget to comment on the Thursday video. That is your key to getting the giveaway. Good luck, guys. I will see you on the video tomorrow and see you guys on Discord. And have a good night, guys. Thank you.